Hello, Biafrans. I am here on today, Sunday, the 3rd of September, and I am at number 10 Downing Street. And what I saw here shocked me. I came here around 4:30 because I want to see if Biafrans are here. But what I saw here shocked me. It shocked me because I saw a Oduduwa flag in front of this place. Nobody's here, but they have their flag here. So I was asking the young man here, and he was telling me that he can't put their I said, where is Biafran flag? He said, no, they can't keep Biafran flag here. I said, why? He said, because Biafrans are very rude. He said they are rude. He said, no country in the world recognizes Biafra. I said, but it's the same killing. They are killing Oduduwa. Is it not the same? They are killing Biafrans. They are even killing Biafrans more. He told me it's not his business. He don't know anything about that. That Oduduwa is recognized. Oduduwa is recognized. They are keeping, this is number 10 Downing Street. The flag of Oduduwa is there now. Are you looking at it? I'm here at number 10 Downing Street. Okay? I'm there. I went there after Mass. So I want to show my people the progress of Oduduwa people. Where are we heading to? I think we have to reduce our rudeness. The rudeness is too much, according to them. This is the bitter truth, anyway. If we want to go somewhere, if we want to progress in this struggle, we have to modernize our because in this country, they have freedom of speech, but to an extent. If you are rude, even when you go to office, you go to look for something that is your right, but you are rude, you will miss it. You don't get it. They will deny you that. So that's what I want to tell you. We have to know what to do next. So this is what I'm seeing here, and it shocked me. That's why I say I should video it and bring to you. This is Downing Street, number 10 Downing Street. Reporting, Adane will reporting. Thank you.